Here is an introduction to the MERCYLION A40 single-channel Wi-Fi hidden dash cam installed in the Porsche Macan model. Part 1. Remove and unplug. This schematic diagram shows taking down the rear-view mirror housing and removing the connecting wires of the original car. Due to the large number of models, this diagram is for reference only. The first thing you're going to do is assess the mounting positions on this unit. Now with this unit, you know what you'll be removing from the top. Pry the cover with a pry tool with a little force and pull it a little far away from the top. You'll see a block which writes passenger airbag. Pushes the block forward, and take it apart from the cover. Please note that do not to unplug this block from its connecting wires. Otherwise the airbag light will always be on. And this fault light can be eliminated only by came to repair shop asking for help. Now we taking down the rear view mirror housing. Use your both hands to slightly forcefully open the rear view mirror housing of the original car in the opposite direction, so that it is divided into two sections. Second, we need to taking down the rear view mirror. Hold the root of the rear view mirror firmly with your left hand, fix the mirror frame with your right hand. Twist it slightly counterclockwise, and then you can remove the rear view mirror after the connection position is released. Next, taking down the metal rectangular box in the middle, which you can gently pry open with a flat blade screwdriver. Alright, we're going to take off the rain sensor by hand, and gently pull out the rain sensor cable towards the windshield. Disconnect the connection between the rain sensor cable and the rain sensor. Then pull out the rain sensor cable in the opposite direction of the windshield. Gently pull down the gap with your hand, and the rain sensor can pass through the middle plastic barrier. Now, the remove steps is finish. Part 2. Plug and play. This is the schematic diagram of plug and play and installation of hidden driving recorder. Due to the large number of models, this diagram is for reference only. This is the rain sensor plug and play cable, a Y shape. The upper part of the Y, for easy distinction, it is called port A here, is the rain sensor cable plug. Port B is used to insert the rain sensor slot. The lower plug of Y shape is connected to the connecting wire, port C, of the recorder. Pass port A of the plug and play cable through the plastic barrier in the middle to make it close to the original fixed position of the rain sensor. And then connect port A and the rain sensor into each other. Reinstall the middle metal rectangular box. Connect the rain sensor cable of the original car to the B port of the plug and play cable. The upper part of the Y has been finished the connection. And then, we plug the C port and the recorder's connecting cable into each other. And the entire rain sensor and dashcam connection has been finished completely. Part 3. Install the dashcam. First, install back the rear view mirror. Tear off the protective film of the lens of the recorder. Split the recorder into two sections. Hold the dashcam with both hands and combine them in front of the windshield. Fix the recorder firmly. If you have purchased our GPS separately, we will send to you the dash cam with GPS version. You can put the GPS connection cable on the right windshield roof waiting for installation. If you don't buy GPS separately, you can ignore it here. Arrange these wires neatly and tuck the excess wire into the gap. Okay, now you can install the back cover of the sensor back. Put the passenger airbag block into the empty slots here. And then align the cover of the sensor to the four corners and install it. It takes a few tries to get it completely stuck. Check each point, and then press the left and right sides with your hands. When you hear a click sound, it means that the cover has been locked. Press a few more times to make sure it's fully snapped. Then use a pry tool to tuck the soft edge of the back cover into the gap. Similar to this type of models that needs to be divided into two sides with the hands, we suggest inserting the TF card after the recorder was installed on the top. Alright, now we need to test whether the dash cam will record normally. Start your car. You will see the blue light of the recorder flashing, which means that your dash cam is recording normally. You can also use the MERCYLION viewer to connect the recorder to check its working status. If you purchase GPS separately, then you are still one step away from connecting the GPS and the recorder. Plug the GPS cable with the recorder cable. Tear off the 3M glue on the back of the GPS, and wipe the glass with a cloth. Install on the upper right of the windshield. Finally, hide the excess wires at the top seam on the windshield. GPS is installed. Part 4. Road Testing. The following shows the road test video of a 40 single channel, without GPS version. Thanks for watching.